Today's video is sponsored by me. Add a Fusion Cross Dissolve transition between your clips, select the transition, and open it in the Fusion page. Delete the transition, select your first clip, and add a dissolve node. Connect your second clip to the green point of the dissolve. With the dissolve node selected, change the operation to gradient wipe. Bring down the softness slider. Right-click to the background-foreground slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab. Change the curve to easing, and set the in and out to sine. Bring an edge detect node in empty space, and connect your second clip to the yellow point. Change the mode to grayscale edges. Bring a bitmap node in empty space, connect the edge detect to the yellow point, and connect the bitmap to the pink point of the dissolve node. As you can see, nothing will happen, because you need to change the bitmap channel to luminance. Add a soft glow node after. Copy your dissolve node, and bring it over. Add a background node, keep the color black, and connect it to the yellow point of the dissolve. Bring another background node, change the color to white, and connect it to the green point. Take your bitmap node, and connect it to the pink point of the dissolve again. This way you have your mask for the glow effect. Last step, add another bitmap node in empty space, change the channel to luminance, and connect your dissolve node to the yellow point of the bitmap. Check the invert box, and connect the bitmap to the white point of the glow node. Adjust the glow sliders to your liking. And here is the cool part of the transition. Go to the edge detect node, and adjust the edge width, brightness, and gamma sliders, to find out what works best for you. If you are too lazy to spend time in the Fusion page, buy my packs and give me all your money.